Learn Gujarati introductions fast. What is your name? 2.
મારું નામ છે.
Welcome to Gujarati introductions. Hey, you are about to sound surprisingly polite in Gujarati in just a few minutes. Today you will learn how to ask a name, say your own name, and survive a first meeting without turning into a nervous potato. Imagine this. You walk into a room, smile bravely, and your brain suddenly leaves for vacation. No problem. You start with the magic question.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
That means, what is your name? Then you introduce yourself with,
મારું નામ છે.
meaning, my name is. And to be extra charming, you add,
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
which means, nice to meet you. Congratulations, you now possess the 3 golden keys of not looking lost. Your first magic question. Let's start with the phrase that opens conversations. Say it like you are friendly, curious, and definitely not an undercover robot. English. What is your name? Gujarati.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
Break it gently.
તમારું
Means, your.
નામ.
Means, name.
શું
Means, what, and.
છે?
Means, is. Memory trick. Think, tomorrow name shoe chair? It is nonsense in English, but it helps you remember.
તમારું નામ સમ છે.
Mini scene. You meet someone at a class, wave, smile, and ask.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
Funny image. A parrot sits on your shoulder and asks every human, every dog, and possibly one confused lamp.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
Say your name like a legend. Now it is your turn to answer. This is the moment where you point to yourself with confidence, even if inside you are still alphabet soup. English. My name is. Gujarati.
મારું નામ છે.
Example.
મારું નામ માયા છે.
My name is Maya. Example.
મારું નામ એલેક્સ છે.
My name is Alex. Example.
મારું નામ અર્જુન છે.
My name is Arjun. Gesture tip. Touch your chest lightly when you say.
મારું.
It helps your memory and also makes you look like you know what you are doing. Tiny warning. Do not stop at.
મારું નામ
And stare into the distance dramatically. Finish the phrase with.
છે.
Your sentence deserves closure. Be polite and instantly likable. Now let's add warmth. This phrase makes you sound kind, graceful, and like someone who would return a borrowed pen. English. Nice to meet you. Gujarati.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
The word
આનંદ.
carries the idea of joy. So the phrase feels warm and welcoming. After an introduction, say,
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
funny image. You shake hands so politely that even the room plants nod in approval when you say.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
Compare.
નમસ્તે.
Is a hello. But.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
Is for that first meeting sparkle. Mini dialogue at the mystery tea table. Let's put it all together in a short scene. You are at a tea table, trying to look calm while secretly hoping nobody asks you about advanced grammar. A. Hello.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
B.
મારું નામ માયા છે.
And you? A.
મારું નામ એલેક્સ છે.
B.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
A.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
And just like that, nobody panicked, nobody hid under the table, and Gujarati did its job beautifully. Repeat after me challenge. Time for a quick speaking drill. Say each line out loud, even if your cat looks judgmental. Say.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
Again.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
Now answer.
મારું નામ રિયા છે.
Try another.
મારું નામ સેમ છે.
Now the polite closer.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
Full combo.
તમારું નામ શું છે? મારું નામ છે. તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
Quick quiz, no panic. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. No stress. If you forget, just dramatically pretend it was a listening exercise. How do you say, "What is your name?" Answer.
તમારું નામ શું છે?
How do you say, "My name is"? Answer.
મારું નામ છે.
How do you say, "Nice to meet you"? Answer.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
If someone asks,
તમારું નામ શું છે?
what should you probably not answer? Your shoe size. What should you answer?
મારું નામ છે.
Friendly goodbye. You did it. You now have practical Gujarati for a first meeting, and that is a big win. Today you learned how to ask,
તમારું નામ શું છે?
how to answer with,
મારું નામ છે.
and how to be warm and polite with.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, try the phrases with your own name, and come back tomorrow so Gujarati starts feeling natural in your mouth and not like a tongue doing yoga. You are doing great.